Dear students, so in the previous class we discussed about determinants and solved so many problems by using properties of determinants. In this class also we will solve some problems on determinants. Say prove that the determinant 1 plus x, 1 plus y, 1 plus z, x square plus x, y square plus y, z square plus z, x square, y square, z square is equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. So at first we have to observe the what is in the RHS, what we have to prove. So what is the form, in what way we have to prove. So if we see the right hand side, we have to prove this determinant as x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. So here if we see in the second row and third row, x square term, and here also x square is there, here y square, z square, z square. So by changing R2 as R2 minus R3, so by applying R2 as R2 minus R3, that becomes here R1 and R3 are constant. We are changing only R2 and R2 only, second row, by R2 minus R3. So first row is 1 plus x, 1 plus y, 1 plus z, and third row is x square, y square, z square. Now R2 changes as R2 minus R3. So x square plus x minus x square. Then we will get x. Here y square plus y minus y square, that is y. Z square plus z minus z square, that is z. So we simplified by applying this second row operation. Now you have to prove that is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x terms are appearing in the right hand side. If we observe the columns, first column and second column, by subtracting c1 minus c2 we will get x minus y here, here also x minus y, here also x square minus y square. By observing C2 and C3, by applying C2 minus C3, we will get 1 plus y minus 1 minus z means y minus z, here also y minus z, here also y square minus z square. So that we can prove this determinant in the required form as x minus y, y minus z, z minus x form. So that observation is compulsory, necessary to prove the determinants. Now changing C1 means column 1 as C1 minus C2. So we are subtracting C1 and C2 and we are keeping the terms resultant in the first column. You are changing C1 and that is x 1 plus x minus y, that is x minus y. This is x minus y, x square minus y square. Now changing C2 as C2 minus C3 we will get y minus z, y minus z, y square minus z square, and the third column is 1 plus z, z square. So here we are getting x minus y, here x square minus y square can be written as x minus y into x plus y, y minus z, y minus z, y plus z into y minus z, and 1 plus z, z square is the third column. So by taking x minus y from the first column and y minus z in the second column, we will get x minus y into y minus z to here 1 x plus y. Here also y minus z we have taken as common. So this becomes 1 y plus z. Here the third column is 1 plus z, z square. So if we see the two ones are there, to make it as two zeros, now we can change R2 as R2 minus R1. then this becomes x minus y into y minus z into r1 and r3 are constant, no change. So that is 1 1 1 plus z. Now changing r2 as r2 minus r1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0 0 0, z minus of 1 plus z, that is z minus 1 minus z, z will be cancelled, we will get minus 1, x plus y plus z, z square. Now r2 changes to r2 minus r1, we will get like this, and by expanding, by using the Laplace expansion, by taking the first column, we will get x minus y into y minus z into 1 into 0 into z is 0, minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus y plus z. Here plus minus 0 into something is 0, plus x plus y into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus z into 0, that is 0, that is minus 1. So here we are getting x minus y into y minus z into here minus y plus y get cancelled. We will get x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. So we required this x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. We got the required proof. Prove that x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, y, z, zx and xy. That is equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. So that is x minus y, x here x square minus y square can be written as x minus y into x plus y. If we take z as z into y minus x, here y minus z, y square minus z square can be written as y minus z into y plus z, x into z minus y, z square xy. So after taking the given determinant, we did these two operations as C1 changes to C1 minus C2 and C2 changes to C2 minus C3. So that is C1 changes to C1 minus C2 means x minus y, x square minus y square, yz minus zx. Now C2 changes to C2 minus C3, that is y minus z, y square minus z square, zx minus xy. Now the third column is z square xy. So here we can write this as the first column x minus y, x square minus y square can be written as x minus y into x plus y. Here by taking z as common, z into y minus x, or we can write it as minus z into x minus y, so that we can take x minus y as common from the first column. Similarly, from the second column, y minus z, here y square minus z square can be written as y minus z into y plus z. Here in the third row, x into z minus y. So this can be written as minus x into y minus z, so that in the second column y minus z is common, so we can take out y minus z as common. Now the third column is as it is z square xy. So this is x minus y into x plus y. Here to write it as x minus y, we can take minus common, so that is minus z into x minus y. Here also y minus z into y plus z. To take if we write this as y minus z, that becomes minus x into y minus z, z square xy. Now by taking x minus y common from first column and y minus z common from second column, this determinant becomes x minus y into y minus z. Then in the first column becomes x minus y you have taken as common, so this becomes 1. Here x plus y will be there. here minus z, 1 x plus y minus z. This is the first column. And coming to the second column, we have already y minus z is taken as common. So here we will get 1, here y plus z, here minus x. And the third column elements are z, z square, xy. Now to simplify this determinant, here two ones are there. By taking column operations, one element can be one element can be changed into 0. So C2 changes to, that means second column changes to C2 minus C1. So first column and third column are no change. There is no change in the first column and third column. So they will be as it is. So write 1 x plus y z minus z, and C2 changes to C2 minus C1, that is 1 minus 1 0, y plus z minus of x plus y, that means y plus z minus x minus y. So here y plus y minus y cancelled and z minus x will be remain, and here minus x plus z, so that is z minus x. So these are the C2 elements, C2 column, 0, z minus x and z minus x, so that z minus x is common from the second column. Now the third column are z, z square, xy. So by taking z minus x in the third column, this determinant becomes x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into this determinant 1 x plus y minus z, here 0, here 1, 1, z, z square, xy. So by expanding the determinant by first row, that becomes x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into 1 into xy minus z, minus 0 into something is 0, plus z into x plus y minus z. That becomes x minus y, y minus z into z minus x into 1 into xy minus z square plus z into x plus y minus z. So that is x minus y into y minus z into z minus x, that is xy minus z square plus zx plus yz plus z square. So here minus z square plus z square cancelled. Then we will get x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. So thus we can evaluate the determinant by using the properties, by using row operations and column operations, and by using the Laplace expansion. Problem. Show that the determinant 1 1 1 a b c a cube b cube c cube is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. If we observe this, we have to prove that a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. So if any determinant 3 ones in a row or column are there, then by using row operations or column operations, make 2 ones as zeros, so that we can expand the determinant by using Laplace expansion in very easiest method. In the previous problems also we did some problems with ones. So in this problem we have given ones in the first row. So we have to make column operations. That means the one which is 1 in the C2 second column and third column can be changed as 0. So if 3 ones are there in a row, we have to make column operations. If 3 ones are there in a column, then we can apply row operations to make two ones as zeros, so that we can simply expand the determinant by using Laplace expansion. So here keep this one as same 1, and we want to make this one and this one as zeros. So this one is in second column and this is in the third column. So we want to change the second column elements and third column elements. We cannot change only a single element in a row or column. So we have to operate the whole column or whole row. That's why. So we want to change the second column elements and third column elements and the first element as zeros. So by using the C1 first column, we are changing the second column C2 as C1 minus C2 and C3 changes to C3 minus C1. So we are changing C2 and C3 by using the first column. So C2 changes to C1 minus C2. 1 minus 1 A minus B A cube minus B cube, like that. And C3 changes to C3 minus C1. That means 1 minus 1 C minus A C cube minus A cube. So now first see this C2 changes to C1 minus C2. The corresponding elements are subtracted from column 1 and column 2. So here C1 is constant. There is no change in the column 1 elements, that is 1A cube. Now C2 changes to C1 minus C2 means C1 element is 1, 1 minus 1 0, A minus B, A minus B, A cube minus B cube, A cube minus B cube. Now coming to the C3 third column, we are changing from C3 minus C1. So C3 is 1 minus C1. The corresponding element is 1. 1 minus 1 0. C minus A, C minus A, C cube minus A cube. So here the first column is 1A cube and the second column is 0 A minus B, A cube minus B cube. So what is the factors for A cube minus B cube? A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B squared. So here A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, so that we can take A minus B as common, because A cube minus B cube can be written as like this. Here for coming to the third column, 0 C minus A, here C cube minus A cube can be written as C minus A into C square plus CA plus A square. Now by taking A minus B as common from the second column and C minus A common from the third column, we will get A minus B into C minus A into the first column elements are 1A cube and the second column elements are 0, here 1, and A square plus AB plus B square, here 0, here also C minus A, we have taken this as common, so we can write 1 here. Here C square plus CA plus A square will remain. So in the first row we change two ones as zeros. So in the first row only one element is there. So by using the Laplace expansion, we can write it as A minus B into C minus A into, by expanding by first row, we'll get 1 into here 1 into C square plus CA plus A square minus of 1 into A square plus AB plus B square. By simplifying this, A minus B into C minus A into C square plus CA plus A square minus of this much means minus A square minus AB minus B square. So here plus A square minus A square cancelled. here a minus b into c minus a into here c square minus b square plus here ca minus ab, that can be written as a into c minus b. So here a minus b into c minus a into c plus b into c minus b plus a into c minus b. So we can write it as a minus b into, if we take b minus c, common b minus c into c minus a into here a plus b plus c. So here we will get a here, a plus b plus c, a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So to prove this, in the determinant we can see in the determinant 3 ones are there. By using column operations we change this to 2 elements as zeros, and by applying the a cube minus b cube formula we can take out the factors a minus b and c minus a as common here, and by simplifying by using the Laplace expansion by the first row we proved this one. Problem. Solve det x plus 1 2 3 1 x plus 2 3 1 2 x plus 3 is equal 0. So up to now we evaluated the determinants to prove some value and evaluated the determinant values. In this problem, solve the determinant means by taking the both sides of the equation, determinant and the value of the determinant, and we have to find the value of the variable x here. So by observing this, you can see x is there. By adding 3 columns of each element, corresponding elements, we will get x plus 1, 1, 2, 3 are there. By adding we will get 6. Here also we will get 6. Here also we are getting 6. The same elements we will get. So by adding 3 columns C1, C2, C3 and keeping those values in the first column, this becomes as, that means we are changing the first column elements. C1 is changed as C1 plus C2 plus C3, that is x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, that becomes x plus 6. 1 plus x plus 2 plus 3, that becomes x plus 6. 1 plus 2 plus x plus 3, that becomes x plus 6. So this is the first column, and second column elements are 2 x plus 2 2, and third column elements are 3 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. So by taking x plus 6 as common, we will get 1 1 1, 2 x plus 2 2, 3 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. So in this determinant we got 3 ones in the first column. 3 ones in the first column. So to make it as simple, make 2 ones as zeros. To change 2 ones as zeros in the first column, by using the row operations, the second one is in the second row and third one is in the third row. So by using the row operations we can change R2 and R3 so that we will get zeros here. Then by expanding the determinant by the first column, we will get the value in the simplest way. So here in the determinant, x plus 6 into 1 1 1, 2x plus 2x, 3 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. By changing R2 as R2 minus R1 and R3 as R3 minus R1, x plus 6 into, here the R1 is, we are not changing R1 values, R1 is same, 1 2 3, R1 is as it is. Now R2 change it as R2 minus R1, that means R2 minus R1 means 1 minus 1 0, x plus 2 minus 2, that is x, 3 minus 3 0, and here 1 minus 1 0, x minus 2, x plus 3 minus 3, that is x, that is equal to 0. So that is x plus 6 into, by expanding this determinant by the first column, 1 into, here we will get x into x square minus 0 into x minus 2 is 0. So that is equal to 0. So here x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x square is equal to 0. If x plus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 6. If x is equal to 0, if x square is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. These are the values. If we put x is equal to 0 in this determinant, x is equal to 0, this becomes 1 2 3. Here also this becomes 1 2 3. This becomes 1 2 3. Any two rows or any two columns are identical in the determinant, that value is 0. So x is equal to 0 is correct. If we put x is equal to minus 6, so we want to check whether it is correct or not. If x is equal to minus 6, that becomes minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5, minus 5 2 3. Here 1 minus 4 3. Here 1 2 minus 3. That becomes 0. So that's why x is equal to minus 6 or x is equal to 0. So to solve this determinant, by using the column operations, we make it as the first column as x plus 6, x plus 6, x plus 6. Second column 2, x plus 2, 2. Third column is 3, 3, x plus 3 is equal to 0. In the first column, x plus 6 is common. So by taking x plus 6 as common, we will get 1, 1, 1 here. 2x plus 2x, 2x plus 2, and this is 2, not x. 2x plus 2 and 2 is 2. 3, 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here to make it as 0, x plus 6 into R2 changes to R2 minus R1, that is 1 minus 1 0, x plus 2 minus 2, that is x, 3 minus 3 0. Yes, and here R3 changes to R3 minus R1, that is 1 minus 1 0. This is 2, not x. 2 minus 2, this is 0. And this is x plus 3 minus 3, that is x, that is equal to 0. So by expanding this determinant by the first column, that is x plus 6 into 1 into x square minus 0 into x minus 2 is 0, minus 0 into something is 0, plus 0 into something is 0. So we got x plus 6 into x square is equal to 0. That means either x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x square is equal to 0. If x plus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 6. If x square is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Thus we got the values of x as x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 0. Next problem. Solve the determinant AAX MMM BXB is equal to 0. So solving means we have to find the value of x. Here AAMM BB, these are the constants. So from this we have to find the value of x. If we observe this determinant in the second row, second row m's are common. In three elements are m. So by taking m as common, we can write this determinant as m into AAX 111 BXB is equal to 0. Now we know that if we observe any three ones in the row or column, we can make two ones as zeros by using row operations or column operations, so that we can find the determinant value in the very easily. So here three ones are there. First column one is there, second column one is there, third column one is there. So to make two ones in the second column one and third column ones may be changed into zeros as by using column operations. So we are changing the second column and third column to make these two ones as zeros. So the first column is constant, there is no change in the first column. That is m into A1B. C2 changes to C2 minus C1. The second column elements are changing as C2 minus C1, and the third column elements are also changing as C3 minus C1. So here second column elements, first column elements are m into A1B. Now the second column elements are C2 minus C1 means A minus A 0, 1 minus 1 0, x minus b, x minus b. Similarly, we are changing the third column elements, that is C3 changes to C3 minus C1, that is x minus a, x minus a, 1 minus 1 0, b minus b 0. So here in the second row two elements are zeros. By expanding the determinant by using Laplace expansion according to the second row, we will get m into, here while taking the second row this element we will get the minus sign for the cofactor. So I am taking minus 1 here, minus 1 into 0 into 0 0 minus of x minus a into x minus b, that is equal to 0. So here this becomes m into minus 1 into minus, that becomes plus 1, x minus a into x minus b is equal to 0. Here either m is equal to 0 or x minus a is equal to 0 or x minus b is equal to 0. Here m is not equal to 0, that is a constant. So either x is equal to a or x is equal to b. So these are the values of the x. So what we did in this problem, in the second row m is common, so we take that m as common. So this determinant becomes AAX 111 BXB is equal to 0. Now to make two ones as zeros, C2 changes to C2 minus C1. C2 elements are changed because we are making one as 0 in the C2 second column. In the third column also we are changing the one as 0. That's why we are doing these two operations. C2 changes to C2 minus C1 and C3 changes to C3 minus C1. The first column is constant, that is A1B, and C2 minus C1 means A minus A 0, 1 minus 1 0, x minus b, that is the second column. And third column is C3 changes to C3 minus C1, that is x minus A, 1 minus 1 0, b minus b 0, that is x minus A 0 0. So by taking this second row to expand the Laplace expansion, m into, so here we will take minus 1 because the cofactor of this one gets minus symbol here. So that is minus 1 into 0 into here 0 into 0 0 minus of x minus a into x minus b is equal to 0. That is m into minus 1 into minus x minus a x minus b, that becomes plus x minus a into x minus b is equal to 0. That means either x minus a is equal to 0 or x minus b is equal to 0. If x minus a is equal to 0, x is equal to a, and if x minus b is equal to 0, that is x is equal to b. Thus we can find the values of x here. Now coming to the next problem. Solve x plus a, b, c, c x plus b, a, b, x plus c is equal to 0. To find the value of x, once observe these elements in the column elements. Here a, b, c are there, here also a, b, c are there, here also a, b, c, x are there. So by adding all the columns and writing in the first column, we will get c1 changes to c1 plus c2 plus c3. So x plus a plus b plus c. So that can be written in c1. X plus a plus b plus c. And c plus x plus b plus a, that is also x plus a plus b plus c. And third column a plus b plus x plus c, that is x plus a plus b plus c. That is b x plus b b. And c a x plus c is equal to 0. By taking x plus a plus b plus c as common, x plus a plus b plus c into 1 1 1, b x plus b b, c a x plus c is equal to 0. Now we got 3 ones in the first column. To make 2 ones as zeros, R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. That is x plus a plus b plus c. 1 b c, first row is constant, there is no change in the first row. Now R2 changes to R2 minus R1, that means 1 minus 1 0, x plus b minus b, that becomes x, a minus c, that is a minus c. And R3 changes to R3 minus R1, that is 1 minus 1 0, b minus b 0, x minus c, that is x plus c minus c, that is x, that is equal to 0. Now by expanding this determinant by the first column, x plus a plus b plus c into by 1 into x square minus of a minus c into 0, that is 0. So that is equal to 0 because here 2 zeros are there. So by expanding through this first column, we will get like this. Then x plus a plus b plus c into 1 into x minus 0 into a minus c, that is 0. Minus 0 into something is 0. Plus 0 into something is 0. So x plus a plus b plus c into x square is equal to 0. Either x is equal to 0 or either x is equal to minus of a plus b plus c. If x plus a plus b plus c is equal to 0, we can write x is equal to minus a minus b minus c, that is minus of a plus b plus c. So thus we can find the value of x here. Next problem. Show that det b plus c a, b c plus a b, c a plus b is equal to 4abc. So that is by changing R1 as R1 changes to R1 minus of R2 plus R3, that is b plus c minus of b plus c, that is 0. A minus of c plus a plus c, so that is a plus a minus 2c minus a, that is minus 2c. A minus of b plus a plus b, that is a minus 2b, that is minus 2b. Here R2 is common, R2 is not changed. So b c plus a b, c a plus b. Now by taking minus 2 from the first row as common, we will get minus 2 into 0 c b, b c plus a b, c a plus b. Now by changing R2 as R2 minus R1 and R3 as R3 minus R1, here we are not changing R1, we are changing R2 and R3. So by applying R2 minus R1, B minus 0 B, C plus A minus C, that is A, B minus B 0. Here also R3 minus R1, C minus 0 C, C minus C 0, A plus B minus B, that equals A. So by expanding by R1 we will get minus 2 into 0 into something is 0, minus C into, this is A into B, AB, minus C into 0, 0, plus B into 0, 0, minus AC. That is minus 2 into minus ABC, minus ABC, that is minus 2 into minus 2ABC, that is equal to 4ABC. So this is proved. So RHS is equal to 4ABC, hence proved. Next, show that det 1 plus A 1 1, 1 1 plus B 1, 1 1 1 plus B C is equal to ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Let the given determinant is delta is equal to 1 plus A 1 1, 1 1 plus B 1, 1 1 1 plus C. So by changing C1 as C1 minus C3, that is 1 plus A minus 1, that is A, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus of 1 plus C, that is 1 minus 1 minus C, that is minus C, and C2 changes to C2 minus C3, C2 changes to C2 minus C3, that is 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus B minus 1 B, 1 minus 1 minus C, that is minus C, and third column is as it is. So third column is 1 1 1 plus C. So by expanding by R1, first row, we will get A into B into 1 plus C minus 1 into C minus C, that becomes plus C, minus 0 into something is 0, plus 1 into 0 into minus C 0, minus B into C, minus C into B, that becomes plus BC. So that is A into B into 1 plus C plus C, that is AB into 1 plus C plus A into C, A into B, that is AB, AB into 1 plus C plus A into C, that is AC, minus 0 plus 1 into BC, BC. So here we will get AB plus ABC, AB into 1, that is AB, plus ABC plus AC, ABC plus AB plus AC plus BC. So that is ABC into, by taking ABC as common from each element, that means by taking ABC and dividing through all terms by ABC, we will get ABC into ABC by ABC 1 plus ABC by AB by ABC, that is 1 by C, plus BC by ABC, that is 1 by A, plus CA by ABC, that is 1 by B. So that can be written as ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So this is our HS. So we have taken that is equal to delta, and C1 applying by C1 minus C3 and applying C2 minus C3, we changed C1 and C2 in the determinant. C3 is as it is. By expanding by R1, we will get R1 elements are A0 1, A into b into 1 plus c minus minus 1 into minus c plus c minus 0 into something is 0 plus 1 into 0 plus bc, that is ab into 1 plus c plus ac plus bc, that is abc plus ab plus bc plus ca. Now by taking ABC as common from all these terms, we will get ABC into 1 plus 1 by C plus 1 by A plus 1 by B. That can be written as ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So hence proved. So thus we can evaluate the determinants in this way. By practice only, we will get the ideas to prove the given determinants or solve the determinants.